What's up, guys? It is episode 49 or BMX Scoot Riders, and today I'm gonna be doing a bike check, BMX bike check. Yesterday I did a scooter check. Now today I'm gonna be doing a bike check. All right, so here it goes. Starting at the top, we got the long ODI long neck grips with parents. They fit in there perfectly. They're still in good condition. I've had them for about 9 months now, and look, they're still in good condition. See, still good. Then I have the kink bars. I think they're 4 inches tall, 25 inches wide. Yeah, 25 inches wide. Yeah, they're pretty good. They're really light. I got a mission stem right here, mission stem, and then down here I got a mission headset right there. Moving to the bottom, I got a kink sticker, kink forks. I had stickers on them, but I had to remove them because they didn't look good. They look whack. They're really light. Down here I got the front mission hub, front rear hub. It's really light and good. Sounds good. Then I got the kink spokes, the alienation rims, front rim, black rim, and then some Kenda tires, just the Kenda tires. It's really good. Starting to wear out, I think. Yeah, the back one's wearing out. Front one's still good. I've had it for a while, for about a year now. Still good. And then I got the kink frame. Yeah, it's a little bit scratched, but still good. It's a really good frame. Cost me a lot, but it's still good. And then I got the demolition pedals. Both sides are still the same thing. The demolition cranks. Really good and light. Then I got the kink seat, pivotal seat. It's really good. It's not that comfy, but it's pretty good seat. I don't sit that much on it, so I don't really care. Then I got the Decimal Sprocket 25T Kink Bike Co. Sprocket, and the chain, same thing. I need to put some oil on this because it's really squeaky, as you've seen on my videos. It's really squeaky. It's noisy. I should put some WD-40 on it. Moving into the back, I got the same thing as the front, the tire and the rims. See, alienation. I got the back cassette hub. It's blue. Mission as well. It's really good. And yeah, I think that's my whole bike. And here it goes. I'm gonna do a bike cassette sound or whatever it's called. Yeah. So yeah, that's it, my bike. That's pretty much it. Peace.